Hello there guys, and welcome to another video. This time it's a channel update, and I have decided a few things in this week. First of all, my Minecraft series, I'm not going to be playing on that much anymore, at least. Maybe I will go back to it at some point. Wow, really? Um, Also, I don't know if I told you about my plans for Road to Gold series in League of Legends, but that series is not going to be anything. Then I'm also planning on redoing the video on Flappy Bird that I did, just because I didn't really know what was happening. I should have planned that out a little better, considering it's a tutorial. But yeah, now it's at least up there. And then also I have decided that all of my channel updates, originally they were to have some time-lapse in them as the content that you could watch. I've decided that does not have to be the case, but I'll maybe do that for the most part. But I can also just like sit here and surf in CSGO as you see I do right now. What else do we have? Oh yeah, my main Minecraft series is going to be the Cryptocraft series. Also because I have a lot of friends that play on it now. Oh well, 2 friends. And I think that's going to be a lot more fun. If you want to see what the server is actually supposed to be like, then you could go watch some Hermitcraft. I will be putting a link for that down in the description. They are also a community that play Minecraft together. And yeah, also I'm planning on oh well, I should tell you that my Cryptocraft is just wow, what is this? Cryptocraft is just a community. It's also where I like upload all of my my games, as I upload those as Cryptocraft. So I guess you could say it's a company as well. And I'm the founder of Cryptocraft. Is there anything else to say? We started in Minecraft, then we also transferred over to CSGO and League of Legends. We also have clans in RuneScape and in Clicker Heroes. Wow, that glitch. So yeah, it's kind of a spread out community, both in game dev and a lot of different games. And also the game that I'm making, I have tried to make some of it, and it actually showed to be pretty easy to make. I'm just kind of afraid that anyone else will actually steal the idea from me because it is so simple to make. I thought it would be a lot harder than it actually is. Don't know why I thought it would be that hard. What else? I'm just surfing on CSGO right now. I don't know if I will record some competitive gaming in CSGO because I do my mouse is not that good at first. More about that in a little bit, and I also lag a little bit when I record, and this could be the difference between me getting to a high rank or not. And I don't really like the idea of that. So maybe I'll do some of it, but maybe I won't. Probably not. Also, the thing about my mouse is that the wire on it keeps like slightly pulling in at my mouse. So I'm looking at buying a what is that called? Wireless mice for playing computer. Yeah, I do love Logitech, so if any of you have Logitech suggestions for a good wireless mice, then please leave them down below, because I really need one to be able to play CSGO again. Also, about my League of Legends progress, I'm currently in Silver 1. I got to Silver 1 yesterday. And why does it say I have 8 kills? Oh, that's seconds. But yeah, I got to Silver 1 yesterday, and my goal is to get get to gold before the end of the season. So I get that gold badge thing when you are trying to load into a game in the loading screen. I really want that for the next season. Not too sure though if I will get it or not, but let's see. I don't know what else there is to talk about really. I have like 4 minutes left at least, I think. I really want to make these videos last for like 10 minutes or so. Except if I don't have anything else to talk about. Whoa, this is so fast. No, missed it. That went pretty well. Let's see if I can complete this map. That would be quite fun. To any after that don't know, I am playing CSGO. Surfing at the moment. I don't surf a lot, and I'm not planning to be like Leafius here or something like that. Just telling you about my channel, really. Also, actually, on Sundays I will either upload a time lapse, or I'll upload a channel update, or I'll upload a channel update and a time lapse. Something along those lines. So it can be either or both. Come on, can I complete this map? If I could complete this map, then that would be a good end for this. Oh, so it is this map. Dang it. Don't have enough speed. But yeah, I'm not that good at surfing, so... And also to those of you that don't know anything about surfing, you can see my speed in the bottom left. Oh, well, in the middle of the screen, in that little thing where there's some text in the bottom right of that, you can see my speed. Oops, too high. No. Rip. Yeah, I don't really know what else there's to talk about. I think I'm going to stop this video after this try. Oh yeah, also I have gotten a lot of subscribers during this week, because of my CSGO videos. Rip. And that is not why I'm doing this video. I'm just doing this video because I didn't really have a time lapse recorded already. Oh, Wow, you can really gain some momentum on this server. Wow. Let me just try this once more then. And then after this try, I'll end the video. Probably also many of my what is it called, time lapses will be recorded in Clicker Heroes, since I'm like, I really have some content in that that's really perfect for time lapses, and I enjoy myself to watch Clicker Heroes time lapses, so why not? But yeah, that's it for this time. Bye bye.